who you are is enough. You don't have to do a fucking thing. Excuse my language. But we are trained by society, by our parents who learned from who? Society and their elders, that we had to do to be acceptable. That's a bunch of malarkey. We're good enough
Yes.
just the way we are. And another way of saying that is God doesn't make junk, you know, or the universe doesn't make junk. And we have proof of that now. We have the pictures of the universe and how beautiful it is. You know, we don't pick that apart. We don't look at the pictures of the universe and say, well, that's out of place. That the color's not right. Well, we don't do that. We say, oh my goodness, look at that. And we're in awe. So to look at ourselves every day in awe. Hell, we have all made it to here right now. I'm getting chills all over. I'm not saying this. This is coming through. You made it to here right now where you are. Applaud yourself. That is huge. Right. Everybody, give yourself a pat on the freaking back, a pat on the other side. You did great. You're still here. You're still alive. You're still striving. You're still going. And, you know, this is not an easy existence. The Earth school is a school of contrast, and it can be extremely challenging. You know, all kinds of different things can happen. It can happen to the physical, the emotional, the spiritual, the mental. And to be here now, where you are in your life, is a huge accomplishment. And just who you are and your light here on the planet matters immensely. And give yourself credit for that. Everybody here needs to give yourself credit just for that, because that is more than enough. And you are more than enough. That's your lecture from the angels. Because I'm like that when I get those confirmation chill bumps, I know it's not coming from this human body.